In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add custom HTML to Confluence pages. By the end of this video, you'll know how to embed HTML using a supported macro app, allowing you to add custom layouts, widgets, and other web content to your pages. Since Confluence doesn't allow raw HTML by default for security reasons, you'll first need to install an HTML macro app from the Atlassian marketplace. Once the app is installed, open the Confluence page where you want to add your custom HTML and click Edit. Place your cursor where you want the HTML to appear, then type HTML and select the HTML macro provided by your installed app. After inserting the macro, paste your HTML code into the editor. If the app supports it, you can also include CSS or JavaScript, depending on your requirements and your administrator's security settings. Use the preview option to verify that your content displays correctly. If everything looks good, click Insert if required, then publish your page to make the changes live. If your organization restricts HTML macros, you'll need to contact your Confluence administrator to install or enable the required app before you can use this feature. That's all there is to adding custom HTML to Confluence pages. Thanks for watching.